Hello. Good morning, everyone. Uh, it's uh, it's Friday today, and September 3rd. It's one of the nice day in the weekend, and I received a very is the news on today's. What's the news about? The news about is share to us the. Let me see. Let me check the. Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nicholas. Let me say hello to Mr. Nicholas coming to our meeting room. Let me go to the way to open the gate for him. He's waiting outside. Yeah, okay, now his choice our live stream this early morning. Um, Mr. Nicholas, you can share something when you're available. Okay, let me start the live stream about the market analyst. Say uh, he uh, he had the chart. He shared the chart. Say the Bitcoin peak as 100,000 by the year's end. Yeah, let's start with the article and let's see how's the article is. Okay. Now, article is based on the analysis of Kevin Wadsworth. His of his analysis, and he shared to us some of the charts to show the Bitcoins may let me yeah, it's like here the 500% again so far. uh, you can see this charts based on the Coinbase where the blackout charts, and then we see uh, we see the blackout charts here. We see the chart below play out to the perfection, and the next target this charts when the Bitcoin price about 33,000. Yeah, and at that time. Uh, we expect it may hit around 55 to 60K, 65 to 60,000, and then now we see at we see also similar charts at the price when the price 50,000. Yeah, when the price 50,000, and we can see the below charts is may hit the 57, 58,000 with the parabol. Uh, uh, go together with the parable, the price could hit 100,000 is a possibility in the year's end. Now we see a new highs last correction. When the breakout, there's a breakout. Um, One more thing we can see when the price is in the dip. Now is at the price dip is coming down from the 64,000. Then we can see also can see the Bitcoin short term have the correction is about the parable, and that's exactly what happened now. Uh, we here's 1 hour chart. It show the thing when the Bitcoin price of 38,000 is will shoot up to the 42,000 after the breakout. We also can see based on the trend view, and together with the parabol is shoot from the 42,000. Now it's go up to the 47,000 to 49,700. Yeah, uh, that's the thing we want to share with our audience about the possibility of the Bitcoin. It can move. We back to the article. We see the dip before the cloud. Yeah, the dip before the cloud is here like this. Uh, I turn on the open main tab. Um, when I zoom in, we see the price of Bitcoin at in the chart is around 47,500, Now currently the price of Bitcoin today now is 49,332. Yeah, when the price is have the little chance hit the 50,000 twice after 10th day. Yeah, that is a signal. And
After 10 days?
yeah, after 10 days, Mr. Nicholas. This is the second time it's hit the 50,000 after 10 days. Mr. Nicholas, so you have anything to share to us about what do you feel after the Bitcoin price and all the altcoins is uh, hit the new level? Yeah,
Um, well, I guess the price, the last two live stream ago, we are talking about whether you'll break 50. So
yeah,
it did touch 50, and
yeah,
then looking at the chart right now, it did touch 50, and then it kind of like how would I say? It is still floating between the high 40s, near 50 range,
yeah,
um, which is kind of like a good thing in a way, because it gives people the readiness. It allows people to uh, watch closely as well, and also at the same time, I don't know about other countries, but in
yeah,
Singapore, I think last night my friend, he messaged me. He said, "Oh, hey, this MAS is uh,
yeah,
saying something
yeah, yeah,
about
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
Bitcoin. No, Binance. Yeah.
Finance,
So
yeah,
what? Let me look at the message. What he said is that what uh, he was saying, what why MAS put Binance on high alert.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So my answer to him is very simple. It's like, you know crypto is decentralized. We
yeah,
all know that. Government is centralized. Because MAS, central bank, they are all government. Yeah. So they want to control something. They they want to control something that is decentralized. So
yeah,
technically speaking, they are trying to think of ways to centralize something that is decentralized.
yeah.
They just want to take away the DE.
I
Yeah.
also
So
share the article to you on the screen
yeah,
um, because uh, Binance.SG and Binance.com is also maybe uh, uh, the same of Binance, but operate in different. That means Binance.SG
yeah.
is
Honestly speaking,
controlled
yeah. Honestly
by
speaking,
MAS.
yeah.
Yeah,
I think they should have just done away with this Binance.SG thing, because you just use Binance.com to do. Everyone will know. Yeah, yeah. Perhaps they are just trying to at one point trying to appeal to uh, create an appeal to Singapore users. Perhaps
yeah,
that's why they put .sg, or perhaps they are trying to make. I think there was one time they're trying to apply for some license in Singapore, right?
yeah.
Yeah, but
I think
anyways, yeah,
it's apply the license for the Binance.SG. It means that if you want your fiat your bank transfer directly to buy the crypto,
mm,
you can proceed Binance.SG and you can earn
yeah,
crypto. Yeah, but of course there's a little bit percentage commission for
yeah,
the Binance SG. If you have 500 500 Singapore dollar, you want to buy BNB or buy BTC, you can proceed at Binance.sg. Immediately, you just transfer your bank account from your bank account to Binance.sg account, and then you can purchase. Yeah, that's very simple. But that is just the purchase directly with the exchange. It's not the way you buy and sell with your setting price, not your. If you purchase crypto on Binance.sg, you buy directly from at the time you set the order, and
Right.
it's hard for you to place a lower price or higher price if you want to sell. Yeah, that's why
Right. So
it's
it's more like a super live trading kind of thing.
yeah
You whatever you put is like whatever you set for buy and sell is the particular price at the moment, right?
yeah that's right.
Yeah.
That's a different. So that's
That's
why you can share to your friend. There's no worry about Binance.sg or Binance.com because Binance.com nowadays uh, uh, a lot of rumor coming out when Binance say that there's no HQ, there's no headquarter of the Binance. That's why so many countries they worry and they say like that to uh, to to keep calm of their trader, their investor.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
So
so
that's a good thing that I go to Binance.com. Back then you told me to go to Binance.sg, right? So I think I had some problem registering Binance.sg. So I registered Binance.com. I think it is better because if I'm expecting the price to go up to a certain level, I just set sell at that level.
yeah.
It can just automatically sell for
If
me.
you purchase Binance.sg, just for the people don't have any worry about the price. They just want to buy and sell at that
Yeah,
price.
at a
Also
particular point
finish.
of time,
Yeah,
right?
at a particular point, and then they just proceed it. Yeah, or if you have some coin and you want to sell or buy directly to your bank account, just sell in Binance.sg. However, there's a limit. It means you only can have a limit when you withdraw your money to your bank account.
Yeah, yeah. So actually for anybody at all,
Yeah,
it's a no-brainer to just go to Binance.com because
yeah, that's right.
it's so
Also,
much
the same
easier.
with the Binance.us. That's why Binance going to Binance going to be on the IPO in next 3 years.
IPO, that will
Yeah,
be interesting. How they're going to go about doing it.
yeah. It's Binance US. Expect go to public in 3 years. Yeah,
Mm.
that is a thing
Then
you
then
want.
they will have to make. They'll have to have a physical HQ perhaps.
Yeah, that's right. Of course, if like it must have the plans in US.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's also the same with the Coinbase now. If one go to publish, go to IPO.
I
Yeah,
think I think they'll do very well at IPO because
yeah, right. That's right.
right now there are so many people going on to Binance.
Yeah,
First of all, for anybody who is new to cryptocurrency, they'll go to Binance and take a look, you know,
yeah,
and then because all they know is Binance. Yeah, so if they IPO or when they IPO, I mean you set a big ripple wave in the industry. Yeah, so uh, a lot more people come to get to know about them, and I guess we should buy some shares for the IPO.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's a good thing.
Yeah, and we see this also have some information is confirmed. You can receive the tipping uh, with this confirmed lunch the tipping on the Bitcoin tipping. If your Twitter account is so nice and you want to receive a tip $50 or $200, yeah, that's in Bitcoin. So
Ah,
people,
so if someone likes your tweet, they'll just give you some Bitcoin.
yeah, because just now I share information to you about the Lightning Network. Lightning Network is one of the proposal of the Bitcoin network to let the Bitcoin can transfer fast and reliable in the different layer of the cryptocurrency. It means the fee is lesser. That's why this they will launch after they upgrade the network to the Lightning Network. Yeah, and you can receive a tip in speaker because a lot of social media nowadays lack of the tipping in the cryptocurrency like Facebook, and now Twitter is one of pioneer to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I
just a
wonder
nice
who.
work to let people they have more choice. And recently you may hear the news about the OnlyFans, one of the social network received the tipping and the thing for the others industry. And uh, OnlyFans has been delete all the content related with the added contents in their network. That's why there's a suggestion to use the crypto. Why not? Because currently they are based on the social networks, based on the do the transfers in the fast way. That's why it's hard to switch uh, just a day within the days. Yeah, so they need to follow the regulation. And
Yeah.
on the tester, they will launch the tipping. So I also don't know if they need to follow any regulation if their platform accept the crypto. In my own opinion, I think it's a possibility because now the U.S. government
Yeah.
many allow many company to buy to keep Bitcoin to keep crypto. That's why the launch of Bitcoin tipping is so simple and easy for them. Similar with the Coinbase, if you have some marketplace or have some store, you can open to receive the crypto or receive any currency without any register the authority about the IRS or something like that. The owner only can apply fill up the form with the IRS about keeping your cryptocurrency at the time, or you need to declare your Bitcoin address. Yeah, that is the thing now. And let me go to share one more article. The thing about the El Salvador, we see the El Salvador have assembled the green lights 150 million Bitcoin trust.
Wow.
Yeah, this
That's
is
nice.
good news when the country had open for a lot of finance institutions in crypto. Yeah. This information is just this morning. I shared about the guys his have the charts to show the Bitcoin peaking as a 100,000 by the end of the years. And he had the article. He has some charts to show his ideas, to show his view about its possibility. So how's the price move? I also said to you, and in in my short opinion, in my little opinion, I see the charts. I can see the price is may go to the next resistance is about 56,000, 56,000 to 63,000. At that resistance, at this resistance is so hard to get because that's the previous target of the Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah, and based on the the Bollinger Band and the MDA. Let me show you the Bollinger Band here. Um, this MACD, we see the Bollinger Band is open now. It's a little bit open when oh no, not really open. It's so that the price goes sideways around 50,000. The price goes sideways 50,000 for to wait for another cross like the MACD cross here. If it's cross here, the let me say if it's cross here, cross this level, so the price may go up to the next resistance. And coming back with with the altcoin, of course, Bitcoin is not go so high than the other altcoin, because the percentage of the Bitcoin is only 0.86%. Yeah, uh, 0. You also can see Ethereum go within 7 days is go 27%. Yeah, is and we also have another one is IDA, because there's a news from IDA, and so it's make the price of IDA go from 1.5 plus, now it's nearly $3. And with the BNB, now after BNB hit the $500, now it's had a correction to $480 based on some of the rumor news, FUD. So that now the price of the BNB is about $480. Yeah, in my own opinion, BNB also have a lot of potential, and people they can uh, put money in uh, to 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 get it more. And and oh yeah, this one also nice, 74%. We can use this to check to know what is the one is what's the coins go high this day. Yeah, we see this top of the week, and this top loose. Let's see top loose.
Yeah.
Top against hollow. So again, oh, this also nice. This one, okay, yeah,
Holo,
yeah,
hot.
yeah.
I I
You
remember that
remember
hot.
this one? Yeah, this, yeah, hollow. Yeah, it's also fly high. This one, KSM. Now because I usually check the top loose, so I can jump in, because uh, people they have feeling buy low sell highs. Yeah, so they need to find the coin is top loose, so they can bet on it. Yeah, that's the strategy. This one AMP, which is within 24 hours. Uh, the AR is lose 8%.
Right.
A lot of sale and discount price, so you can check, and with up the crypto you like, you just buying and keep for your investment. Yeah, it's good to see the price on the altcoin go together with the Bitcoin when the Bitcoin price go high, and the other
Yeah.
altcoin go together with this. Yeah, that is a thing we want to share, and I also want to share with you about the NFT. Some of people they I also do the research about more about the NFT. There's two type of NFT. NFT is NFT 721 and NFT 1155. Based on ERC 1155 and ERC 721. The difference between the two ERC is one is you can make it's also NFT, but with the 1155 is upgrade version, proposal version.
Yeah.
Is
So what's the major difference between 721 and 1155?
with the 721, it look like you have uh, the garage to make the NFT. That is the 721. That is mean that garage only can make one type of NFT. The
Right.
garage can make the bicycle. Is also own. They can make the bicycle for you. Um, and when you sell the NFT to the other, you just sell one by one, not send the whole list of your bicycle to the new to to the new receiver. With the 1155, you
Mm.
can make not only bicycle, you can make the motorbike and the car, and you can make so many type of the NFT. And
Ah,
when you send to the other, you can send a bunch of it. That means you can send. It look like the 1155 is a collection.
yeah, yeah.
It's a
Okay, I
collection.
think I get what you mean. Yeah,
Yeah,
with the 721 is a little bit like remember that I almost say Hello Kitty, but
yeah, yeah. That's
Crypto
one.
Kitty. So
Yeah,
Crypto Kitty is 721. You can only
yeah,
make Crypto Kitty. You can
yeah,
only be doing the Crypto Kitty thing. But then
yeah.
with the 1155, you can actually have different things rather than just only one type, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Look like with the 155, you can make the game, your game.
It's very much like what is going on around in the NFT market right now, where a lot of people are making artwork and then they sell. That's 1155, right?
Yeah,
I
with
suppose.
on the OpenSea and on the some marketplace, you can make by your own. It look like
Yeah.
you can make 721 or you can make 1155.
Ah,
If
right,
you
right.
want to make the 1155, it means that you make a collection of your NFT.
Ah, okay.
You make like your collection of song and
Mm.
painting and one of the vlog. Yeah, you make the 1155 so you can do that. If you just do the vlog or just do just a single NFT, yeah, so you just do 7 to 1 by one. Yeah, that's all. And
Right.
and of course with the 1155 you make the so many stuff like this. You need to define the metadata on the 1155 so the other people they can keep track on this. Look like I go to the OpenSea and the 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 variable example. If I go to the variable when I make the new create a new collectible, then we ask is a single or multiple. This is a 71721. This is a 721 and this is 1155.
Ah,
Example,
right, right.
that is a create a multiple collectible. They will say that you create the ERC 1155 like this. Yeah,
So,
1155.
so, so one question from here.
Yeah.
So, how popular is this 1155? I believe it's taking traction very well, right? I
Uh,
hopefully.
Yeah, of course. Look like you can jump into the other collection. Like this variable collection, or you make your own collection uh,
Right.
of the 1155. The variable collection is a collection of so many items, so many
Yeah.
NFT. Yeah, and
Then I have one more question. So,
yeah,
if you create 1155 NFT,
Yeah.
Can it be cross-sell or can it be sold through another platform or only on this platform?
Oh, of course, it can sell to so many platforms based on the blockchain.
Right.
Look like
Simply because there's a public key to it, right?
yeah, like valuable. This valuable collection.
You can, yeah,
You can create your NFT here, and you sell in the
yeah.
not. It means that it's automatically synchronized together based on the network.
Mhm.
Yeah. This is all the collection on the Rarible, and then if you create your collection on the Rarible collection here, then it will show up here too. It's example uh, when I go to show here, all of this one, all of this I never sell on the OpenSea, but based on the blockchain, it show up here. Like this domain, this card, yeah, it show up automatically based on the blockchains. Yeah, that's the thing. This thing is just the NFT 721 only. Yeah, but it show up on the blockchains. Example, if your collection like the network, your address, and it show the name, and it show all the crypto asset here of yours. Yeah, like your crypto asset, your crypto kitty will be here. Yeah, that is the idea. That is the thing I want to share to you and share to everyone. Different between 721 and 1155, and how is be potential for nowadays, because not only in the marketplace but also in so many areas like buy and sell. If you want to buy sell property, you can make the one of the central that in the entity, the company, they register the smart contract and then let the other to create the create their NFT on the on that smart contract. Yeah, that's good for the people in the future. Like if you create your your NFT of your car and you want to sell to the other, um, you can send the NFT to me and I buy the NFT with that client, and you can declare, oh, with if anyone have that an NFT will own the car, example like that. That's the idea for the insurance, for the car, for some of the other tangible thing that they want to link with the intangible. Uh, you may remember a few days ago you hear about CryptoPunk and CryptoPunk. Yeah, it's very popular. You can hear
CryptoPunk. Yeah,
CryptoPunk.
yeah,
It's look like you buy the character. You buy this
yeah.
character. That character belong to you. Uh, and this CryptoPunk people they can buy and sell in on any platform. Yeah. And you also can go to the OpenSea and see the CryptoPunk too. CryptoPunk it's the same. It's the same CryptoPunk here. This look like the collection, and you can go to see someone they also can buy and sell with the 10 with uh, x10 of the price. Example, they buy this character and you sell with the uh, because I see not only the character but also CryptoPunk have the other project like Bit, it's a 3D character. The Bit, the 3D one, buy and sell of this one also, yeah, also interested in, yeah, also the same company, yeah,
Square hit.
yeah, swear head and they buy and sell. Also, yeah, so many things to
Yeah.
we that people can imagine and think about this. Yeah, a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I go to shop, I see oh there's some one guy he 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 buy a big here someone he buy a big and he sell at he buy at 5 ETS and he sell at 50 ETS. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah, that's one of the actually about the marketplace and the NFT. A lot of people share information about the NFT and how to buy and sell. That's why I share information to you and to all. There are so many marketplace. Of course, the product on the marketplace will link together. Yeah, it look like you can go to the variable to buy and sell also the same product. Yeah, it's depend on the marketplace. You also can do your own research about the smart contract because also have the similar item but different smart contract. It means you buy the similar stuff but in the different store, different manufacturer. So we need to do more research to learn. Oh, this one is authentic or not
Yeah.
authentic. Yeah, that's why in the crypto world, a lot of things people the other can can do a duplicate thing. Yeah, that's why. And I think it's time for us to say goodbye today. We hope to see you in our next live stream to share information about the cryptocurrency, share information about technical. If you want to ask to learn more, let me say goodbye to all our audience, not only in the YouTube but also in Twitter, the Wish, the live, and have a nice weekend. Mr. Nicholas, I share the word to you.
All right. Yeah. Thank you all for joining us. Hope you guys have a nice weekend. Just a short look again at the price today. So this is like what nearly 30 minutes ago. BTC was 49,359, ETH nearly 3,008, and then BNB 4,008, 484. Yeah. So let's look at the price right now. Okay, floating. So BTC is now like 48 plus, 48,600. ETH 39, 37. Yeah, 37, 3.
Yeah,
3,738, and then they're just slightly lower at its current point of time, but it's always the case, you know. They
yeah,
always start at quite a price in the morning Singapore time, and then towards the afternoon and then there's near to the evening they start to climb up again. Yeah,
yeah,
but nevertheless, when you trade, when you do some buy sell of your crypto, just take a look at the information that's available out in the market and see what can affect the price and what can affect you as an
yeah,
investor and the rest of the other investors out in the market as well. Because think information that can affect them should affect you.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That's right.
so that is why we see the up and down in market, ups and down in the market.
Yeah,
Uh, uh, where people feel a little bit uncertain with the coins that they are buying, or when they feel a little bit charged up, they'll start to buy a lot and then they start to sell $1,000 or $2,000,
yeah,
$1,000 or $2,000 different away from where they bought, or just 5 to 5% to 10% or to 15%. That's what a lot of people are doing. Yeah. Nevertheless, if you happen to get something good out in the altcoin market, you may be able to earn 100%. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Recently, I bought something at $60. Now it's like 130, 120 plus. Yeah.
Wow.
So it's a good thing. Take a look around, see what you feel is best for you, and see what are the potential behind each project that's being represented behind all those altcoins out in the market.
Yeah.
Right. Have a great weekend. Hope you guys trade safely, trade well, and earn some money. And we look forward to